Welcome back to the LNC Painter YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to be trying to start this Raptor so I can get it inside, check our color, paint the panels. We're doing the wide body on this thing, and unfortunately the battery is completely drained. It's been sitting for a couple months. Luckily, just in time, I got my Vantrue jump starter box delivered, so let's go unbox this thing and see if it works. All right, we got this Venture JS1. It's a multifunctional jump starter, and gonna open it up and see. Comes in a nice little pouch. Got the unit, and this is probably the cable. We got the jumper cables, negative and positive, and here's our unit. Starting current 550 amps, peak current 3000 amps, blue LED, brighter, strobe, and then a red strobe. This is out of the box. It's saying 80, so maybe that's 80%, but we have a donor card that we need to jumpstart, so let's go see if this thing works. Very slim, very compact, easy to use. We got a nice donor vehicle. I'll show you guys outside. This Raptor right here has been standing for about a month. It died for some reason. Let's see. Nope, no power. We got the battery right here. Here's the positive and our negative. So ведется, нет? Try it out. Wow, starts right up. This thing was completely drained. Wow, very impressive. So now it says 79. It said 80 before, so maybe that is the percentage. So comes almost fully charged right out of the box, which is nice. Ready to use. I painted the white body, fiberglass fenders, and bed sides for this Ford Raptor. So now what we're gonna do is I'm gonna add the Raptor coating to the top, and the flares we're gonna paint them satin black. All right, I taped off the section that we're gonna apply the rhino coating, or whatever it's called. That's what we're gonna apply the Raptor coating. We're gonna apply it to the top of the bed sides here, just to match the inside because it's Raptor line. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna scuff it up with my red Scotch-Brite. So you want it to look scuffed up and matte. You don't want to see any of the shiny stuff, so you got to make sure you take care of all that. Get into the edges. So the whole thing looks like this before applying your Raptor coating. Let me get to it. Here's the kit. We got the Raptor coating. We got the hardener with the pour out cup, and then they even give you the applicator gun. Very easy to use. This goes on the bottom. Once you activate this with the hardener, you shake it up, and then you just insert the spray gun into the bottle and spray it right out of the bottle. Super easy. tip goes right here. Let's activate this. Now we shake it up really, really well and apply it to your bedsides. Test panel. That's it. We applied it. So I don't know. When should I take the tape off? Let me see what it looks like. Maybe I can take it off right away before it dries up. Let's try. Yep, right away, works. Check that out. Oh, stinky in here. Here we are. I already unmasked everything. This is what our bed liner turned out like. It's already dry. Got a nice crisp line separating the bed from the liner. Painted our wheel arch flares in a satin black on the front and the bedside panels. And then we did everything else satin black to match the wheel arch flares and the wheels, rear bumper, front grille. Here's this side. Easy to apply, looks very clean and crisp and dries very quickly. And it's gonna protect you from scratching it or scuffing it up. It's very durable stuff. I love it. And our Vantrue power bank jump starter JS1 kit worked beautifully. Very nice to have around the shop. Charged it up. It charges very quickly. Full charge in less than 3 hours. We were about like what, 60 or 80%, and it charged up in less than an hour. So very convenient. And it also has USB ports. It has 2 USB ports, DC, and then the USB-C charging cord. So you can start your car, you can power your electronics or charge your phones or tablets. Very nice thing to have. Highly recommend getting one. So yeah, charge it up, use the case, throw it in your car in case you have any emergencies or power outages. That way you can light up what you need to, because it has the working LED. Charge your phones, and just a great thing to have. All right, this thing is not a charge. Let's see. Nothing. All right, give this guy a try. We're at 99. Positive red, negative black. Now I've got to make sure this green is not flashing. 1 second, hold up. Okay, go for it. Voila. Now we're at 96. Wow. So yeah, you gotta connect it. Make sure that green start is illuminated, not blinking, and then it's a green light. There you go, we did our satin black wheel arch flares and then our Raptor liner on the top of the bed, and it's looking beautiful. This thing's ready to rock and roll and hit the streets or the dirt, but for now we're gonna end the episode here. Thank you guys for tuning in and watching the video. If you like this kind of content, don't forget to subscribe, hit the thumbs up, comment below, let me know what you guys think. That is gonna be it for today. We'll see you guys in the next one.